This is assembly language. It is one step above machine code. It talks directly to the processor. You need an assembler, like NASM, to run it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's assemble it. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read an ASM file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. An ASM file contains source code written in assembly language, a low-level programming language that corresponds closely to a computer's machine code instructions. Developers use these files to write highly optimized code for specific hardware, such as device drivers or bootloaders. Users often search for how to view or compile this code. This is a plain text file structured with mnemonics, operands, and comments. The design is intentionally human-readable for programmers but requires an assembler, like NASM or MASM, to translate it into machine-executable binary code. Its text-based nature ensures maximum portability across different text editors and development environments. Your primary software solution for ASM files should be Microsoft Visual Studio from Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows displays the code, but proper handling requires a trusted scripting environment. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the ASM file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Visual Studio if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If your ASM file will not open, do not worry. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, writing the source. Open the ASM file in Visual Studio Code with an assembly syntax highlighting extension or Notepad++ with assembly language profile selected. The color-coded display distinguishes mnemonics registers, labels and directives for clearer code comprehension. Next, assembling the code. Install NASM Microsoft MASM or GAS, depending on the target architecture and assembly dialect. Run NASM FL64 file name ASM to assemble, x86-64 code on Linux or ML64 file name ASM on Windows, producing object files ready for linking into executables. Finally, debugging assembly. Use GDB on Linux or x64DBG on Windows to step through assembled code instruction by instruction. Set breakpoints at labels, examine register values, and inspect memory contents to verify program logic and diagnose execution errors at the lowest level. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.